How to bookmark on the iPad. I'm first going to show you how to do this in the standard browser of each and every iPad, which is Safari. And then I'm also going to show you how to do this on Google Chrome. First of all, we're going to open up Safari by simply tapping on the Safari app. Now open up any website. And now to make a bookmark on Safari on the iPad, you can actually just long press on the website address and then tap on Add Bookmark. Give your bookmark a name, and if you want, you can also change the bookmark location, but I will leave it in favorites. Once you adjusted everything, in the top right, tap on Save. Now to access your bookmarks on Safari on the iPad, in the upper left corner of the screen, click on this little icon, and then simply tap on Bookmarks to find all your bookmarks. If you can remember, the website that we just bookmarked, for the location we chose Favorites. So to find that website, we would simply have to tap on Favorites now. And sure enough, we can find our bookmarked website there. And this is how you bookmark on Safari on the iPad. Now let us have a look at how to bookmark on Google Chrome. First of all, I'm going to tap on the Google Chrome icon to open up Google Chrome. And then to add a bookmark on Google Chrome on the iPad, in the upper right corner of the screen, tap on the 3 horizontal dots icon. And then tap Add to Bookmarks. And just like that, you bookmarked that page on Google Chrome. Now to access that bookmark, once again, in the upper right corner, tap on the 3 horizontal dots icon. And then tap on Bookmarks. Under Mobile Bookmarks, you can then find all your bookmarks. Also, if you have a lot of bookmarks, you can use the search field on top to search for a specific bookmark. And this is how you bookmark on the iPad. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a good one, bye!